In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize receipts on your Shopify store. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your customer interactions, perhaps incorporating your brand's unique voice or style into the communications. Well-designed receipts can also help reinforce your brand and ensure that your customers will remember you positively. First things first, let's head over to Shopify. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to want to navigate straight to your store's homepage. This is your central hub for managing all the vital aspects of your online store, from orders and products to analytics and marketing. By starting here, we're setting ourselves up to access all the deep level customizations that Shopify has to offer. Next, we're going to click on Settings. You'll find this option typically towards the lower end of the left-hand sidebar. Clicking here opens a whole host of options that will allow us to dive deeper into various store settings. The settings page is where you can tweak everything to suit your store's needs, from financial details to legal policies and beyond. Now we'll move towards the notifications option. Notifications are a crucial element within Shopify as they allow you to remain in touch with your customers regarding their orders, shipping, and all the necessary updates. With notifications, you can set the tone and content of the messages that your customers will receive. From here, let's go ahead and click on Customer Notifications. This section is particularly interesting because it lets us personalize and refine the communications that go out to customers. Whether it's an order confirmation, a shipping notification, or other customer contact points, you'll find the options available here. Now focus on the option labeled Order Confirmation. This is likely where most communication with customers will begin upon placing an order. Within this section, Shopify provides preset templates that you can customize to fit your business's branding. The pivotal step lies in editing these templates, so click on Edit Code. This action will take us to an interface where the email content can be modified. It's an accessible way for you to ensure that the messaging aligns with your business tone and includes any necessary information for your customer. Here, you can adjust wording, format, and layout as you see fit. Having the ability to tweak these templates means you can inject your brand's personality right into the heart of your customer interactions, creating a memorable experience for your customers. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to preview and save them. This will ensure that every order going out reflects your hard work and attention to detail. And there you have it, you've successfully customized the order receipt template for your Shopify store. This small but significant change can really make a difference in how your brand is perceived by your customers, offering a pleasant and personalized touch to their shopping experience.